I guess the solar industry is renowned for cowboys in the industry. That's a word that gets thrown around quite often. I think anything that has a government rebate attached to it may lend itself to that sort of thing. Yeah, so during a site visit, we'll always ask about, first of all, how much they're using in the home in terms of their power usage, but also when they're using it and how the house runs. That affects how we design the system, where the panels go, how many panels go in a particular direction. So we weigh all that up on a case-by-case assessment, and it's not just an out-of-the-box solution. Oh, there would definitely be companies out there that have a slap-it-on attitude. Sales guys that need to make their commission, so sign on the dotted line and off you go, and then they pass it on to a subcontractor that it may be their first day on the job and you've just signed your money over and you don't really know what you're going to get. So that definitely still exists in the industry for sure. So yeah. If the installer is not as experienced and a decision gets made on the day of installation that this bit will go in a different location, it could dramatically affect how the system performs. Lower quality panels that may not last their warranty period or may not be backed up by a company in 10 or 15 years, then the byproduct of that is that panel could end up worthless and in landfill. The investment into high quality solar and the resulting longer warranties is definitely going to mean less of a headache going forward. Some homeowners that we go and see, they've previously installed a system that certainly not of the best quality, and a few years down the track it's not performing as we would hope it would. So yeah, we've revisited the site, assessed what they're dealing with and put in a far superior system, a much more efficient system. If they'd done the quality system in the first place, they would have saved the investment on that initial system.